Jiggle, and make them out of bread.
Yeah? What else?
I put it in the milk bread.
Yay! Good job.
Dreidel. Now what's inside the dreidel? You want to see?
Yeah.
What does it look like?
The opener.
Yeah, the dreidel opens like this.
Wow. What is that?
Is that money?
Jackson, what is that?
Money.
What kind of money?
Chocolate money.
What? Look at Mommy and tell me.
Chocolate money.
Chocolate money? Is that your favorite kind?
Your chocolate money goes in your dreidel. You putting it back?
What do you say then? Do you say Happy Hanukkah? Wow.
You don't know that's to go on like this, like a square. A little hard to get back on.
Do you like that?
Would you like to see what the chocolate money looks like?
After Hanukkah.
After Happy Hanukkah. Can you say it again?
Happy Hanukkah.
That's right. Very good.